Welcome aboard for another video.
Thanks, Conductor Keith. All right, so still here at Michael Franklin's, an hour and 15 minutes or so from my place in Castleman. And I brought my Mamod Boulton, and we're going to run that a bit, and then we're going to double hit it with Harlech, Castle Harlech, whatever.
Harlech Castle.
Yeah. But see, it's Welsh or it's Scottish or something, and it could be Harlech Castle for all I know. But Dave's
Welsh.
Dave's going to get mad at me for just doing that probably. But anyway, we're going to double head some locomotives here, and we're just going to have a bit of fun.
Yes.
Oh, Henry, isn't it awfully nice for Michael to give us a carriage all to ourselves? It is indeed, Marge, yes. And Morant's bear is still here from the last video. I guess he's seen what's on the other side of the mountain now. We might show up back home in Castleman. And of course the Friar is still here since our previous video, and like always he wishes that you would like this video, hit the like button, but also comment. We love all comments. Subscribe, but most importantly share this video so we can help encourage our love of trains. Alright, so we have a heavier train on there now, so we're going to double head with the Roundhouse and my Mamod Brunel, which of course I've renamed Castleman. Awesome, so let's see if we can drive away. There we go, look at that. It'll take up some slack. Oh, the Friar's happy now. He scored a ride. All right, well, that was fun. It worked out well. Henry and Marge had a good time. We're happy. Well, thank you for having me.
You're welcome. I even saw the Friar smile.
I know.